What's the first thing you ask a customer when they walk through the door here at Waterloo Garage Doors?
Well, that's a good question. One of the first things you want to address is the color that you're looking for. Some people say, how do I come up with the color? So there's several things you can take into consideration. Would be maybe your eaves color, your soffit, fascia, your roof color, brick color, or even your siding color.
Once you've established what color you want, where do you go from there?
Well, what's the use of the door? Is it an outshed? Is it for your house? Is it residential? And what budget are you looking at? Are you selling the house soon? Are you planning on staying there for many years? So that will send you in a direction and guide you towards something. You can zero in on something.
What are some of the things you like to match on a house when choosing a garage door's color?
Well, some people like to match their front door. Some people like to tie in with their window color frames or the eaves and fascia, roof color, and brickwork.
How do you determine the importance of insulation?
Well, it all depends. If there's a room above the garage door, you may want to keep that a little bit warmer. You could also, if you need it to be quieter operating, an insulated door, you can drop the temperature by at least 10 degrees. So if it's 40 degrees outside, you can keep it at 50 inside, and it helps keep it cooler in the summer.
Why do I need an insulated door?
Here at Waterloo Garage Doors, we offer many different ranges of insulation, from non-insulated to a styrofoam type of insulation, and an injected foam insulation as well. And we typically recommend the polyurethane foam injected for added strength and rigidity, as well as a quieter operating door. We have polyurethane R values from around 12 all the way up to 16 or 18 depending on the manufacturer.
What are some of the main styles of garage doors?
Well, you have traditional style, like a short panel or a ranch style. You have colonial style. You have Cape Cod kind of looking houses, coach style. There's a wide variety of styles available.
What do you have in modern looks?
There's several options for modern looks also. You can have a flush door that is pretty much smooth with just some wood grain texture for some strength and rigidity, and you can get that in ribbed. You can stack windows on it along the side, left, right side, almost any combination you like.
Why do you carry so many different brands?
We carry so many different brands because not all brands make the same style of door. Maybe you're looking for a wood door or a three-section door, for example. They don't all offer the same style of door. So we carry a wide variety of manufacturers so that we can find the right door that meets all your needs.
How much does a new door cost?
Depending on your door size, a single door, which we would consider 8 foot wide, 9, 10 foot wide, they can range from $1,000 to $2,000. And if you wanted to add windows, you're looking at about $200 to $500 per door. For a slightly larger door, whether you're 14 foot wide, 16 foot wide, or even 18 foot wide, many sizes are available. Your price range for something of a door of that nature would be between $1,500 to $3,000. If you wanted to add windows, you'll be looking at about $400 to $800 per door. That would cover the more popular steel doors. There are other door options available, such as fiberglass, aluminum, and full view, but we have something for everybody with a price to suit anyone's budget.